Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of adding a domain to your DigitalOcean account. After adding the domain name, I will also show you how you can connect the domain name to a Droplet or a DigitalOcean app. Trust me, it's easier than you think. In this video, I'll get my domain name from Namecheap, but the process should be similar with other registrars. But before we jump right in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tutorials and tips. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your DigitalOcean account. Once you are in, navigate to the networking tab on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Next, click on domains and then add domain. Here, you will enter your domain name without the www. For example, in our case, the domain is codewithgomez.com. Simply type codewithgomez.com in the box and remove any spaces. Once you've entered your domain name, click on Add Domain. And just like that, the domain name is now added to our DigitalOcean account, but we are not done yet. The next step is to update the DNS records in Namecheap to point to our DigitalOcean account. Don't worry, I'll guide you through every step of the way. Now, let's head over to our Namecheap account to change the name servers. Log into your Namecheap account and navigate to the Domains List section. Find the domain you want to use with DigitalOcean and click Manage next to it. In the Name Servers section, select Custom DNS from the drop-down menu. Now, you will need to enter the DigitalOcean name servers. These are provided by DigitalOcean. Once you've entered the name servers, click on the green checkmark icon to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the name servers for your Namecheap domain to point to DigitalOcean. It may take some time for the changes to propagate. But now that your domain name is connected to DigitalOcean, it's time to take the next step. Having a domain connected to DigitalOcean is fantastic, but you need to be able to point it to a Droplet or your DigitalOcean app. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's start connecting it to a Droplet. Head back to the networking section and then click on Domains. Next, find the domain you want to work with and click on it. Now, let's create a new A record. This record will help point your domain to a specific Droplet. For the hostname, use the @ symbol to signify the root domain. Now, under the Select Resource or Enter IP, choose any of the Droplets listed that you want to point your domain to. Finally, click on Create Record to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully pointed your domain name to a Droplet on DigitalOcean. Now, when someone enters your domain name in their browser, they will be directed to your website hosted on your DigitalOcean Droplet. Now, let's explore how to connect your domain to a DigitalOcean app directly through the Apps section. Here is how you do it. First, let's head over to the Apps section on DigitalOcean dashboard. Next, select the app you want to connect your domain to from the list. Once you've selected your app, navigate to the Settings tab. In the Settings tab, go to Domains and click on Edit. Enter your domain name in the provided field, for example, codewithgomez.com. Once you've entered your domain, click on Add Domain to save the changes. And just like that, your domain is now connected to your DigitalOcean app. Now when visitors enter your domain in their browser, they will be directed to your DigitalOcean app seamlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. If you're interested in signing up for DigitalOcean or Namecheap, I've included the links in the description below. See you in the next video.